No, now she wants the book. Here, honey.
Honey. Look it.
Here, baby Greer.
It's a pretty, that one.
Could have been more tags. Should have told me. I have the. Oh, that's right. There's no template saved.
There's no template saved.
Oh, thank you. White tights. That makes my life even easier.
Purple sweater. Where's my purple sweater?
It's right
There's
here.
your purple sweater. You can wear your purple sweater with your white tights.
Oh, I can't open my presents.
Yeah, you're opening your presents. You're doing a great job.
I can't open my presents. What's that, more?
There'll be more in just a second.
We're gonna get it.
Look at what's this, Arwen, for baby Greer. What's this?
Hey, what? So pretty. Look, I got myself a purple
A
sweater.
purple sweater for your sister.
A purple.
Awesome.
I get it.
Okay, hold on, Daddy.